Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a PIR motion sensor, a 5V power supply, a relay or transistor-based switch, and wiring tools. Connect VCC to 5V and G&D to ground. Make sure to share ground with any external load. Then wire the sensor output to a relay module input or to a transistor base through a resistor. This isolates and protects the sensor. Once done, adjust the sensitivity and time delay trimmers so the sensor responds to motion in your expected range. Next, you handle the sensor signal and control the actual load. If switching AC, use a rated relay. For DC, choose an NMOSFET or NPN transistor with proper heat dissipation. Add a flyback diode across inductive loads and a gate/base resistor to limit current. Make sure to use a pull-down resistor on the sensor output so it defaults low when idle. Once wired, test with a small lamp or motor so you can safely verify timing and behavior before full deployment. Finally, mount the sensor where it has a clear field of view and minimal heat interference. 6 to 8 feet high is typical for human detection. Test by walking through the detection zone, then adjust sensitivity and delay trims to reduce false positives. If things go wrong, first verify supply voltage and solid ground connections, then confirm output wiring and protector components. Once done, swap modules or move the sensor if persistent false triggers remain. Often a new position or a replacement unit fixes stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.